Next to me is the MagRack F2, a super lightweight 2-bike hitch rack that weighs only 42 pounds. It's foldable and it's easy to carry. F2 comes with a 90% pre-assembled and only requires a simple adjustments before use. Let's get started. Remove the pin to unfold the hitch, then insert it back to fix. Next, we're going to unfold the two bottom beams. Loosen the plastic wrench and release the bottom beam. And repeat for the other side. And go over like that. Make sure to tighten the two bolts after fixing. Now remove the wheel holders and then adjust them into the right position. When installing the wheel holder on the beam, make sure each faces in the right direction. Then make sure to tighten them to fix. Let's install the connecting block now. Make sure the button is on the sawtooth side and the anti-slip part faces down. The sawtooth design with self-lock function is for secure fixation. Now repeat for the other side. Now it's finished. Let's check how it works. Besides being super light, it can be folded into a compact size when it's not in use. Insert the pin here to fix it. Let's load on the bike. Make sure the button is on the sawtooth sides and the anti-slip pad faces down so it ensures it fixes firmly. The supporting rod here is adjustable to fit both step-over bikes and step-through frames. It also comes with 4 straps for extra safety. Lightweight yet powerful, the F2 holds up to 2 bikes up to 150 pounds. It also comes with a reflective light for better night safety. It folds up for easy storage and it's perfect for any adventure. So get yours and ride with confidence.